Okay, so this is a QuickBooks overview, essentials every user should know, and I'm Jessica Chisholm. I'm a CPA at Huddleston Tax CPAs, and we're located just outside of Seattle, Washington. Before we get started on the presentation, I just want to first show you our website, huddlestontaxcpas.com, and just let you know that we specialize in small businesses, tax preparation and planning, small business coaching, QuickBooks training and bookkeeping, payroll, pretty much anything a small business might need help with. So if you need any accounting help after this is over, feel free to contact us. Even though we're located just by Seattle, we do have clients all over the country actually, and all over the world actually. So feel free to give us a call or email us if you have any questions. I also want to show you smallbusinesswebcast.com. Some people come to us from other websites other than smallbusinesswebcast.com. So if you found us another way and you haven't visited smallbusinesswebcast.com and registered, I highly suggest that you do so. You'll be made aware of any future webcasts that we have. Some of our other webcasts, I also do one tax tips for medical professionals, and then tax savings with real estate ownership explained. Lance Holbert, another CPA at our office, does tax update. He discusses the new tax legislation. John Huddleston does LLCs and S Corps explained, using them to reduce taxes. Let's see. I also do tax savings for construction, architecture, and engineering firms. And then Jennifer Zhao, another CPA at our office, also does tax tips for the self-employed. But she is gone for the summer, so she'll start that one again in the fall. We're also hoping to partner with other professionals to get other non-accounting webcasts up here, so definitely make sure you're registered so you can be made aware of future webcasts. Okay, so go ahead and get started here. So I'm going to go over what I want to talk about today. First thing we're going to talk about is which version of QuickBooks is best for your business. Talk about how to memorize reports, how to make accounts inactive, and why you would want to make them inactive. Making, canceling, and using an accountant's copy. Making adjusting journal entries, reconciling a payroll account when you're using an outside payroll service, and then recording deposits in the undeposited funds account. Looks like we just had a couple more people join us. I'm just going to make sure the audio is muted. Okay. So let's go on to the first thing I want to talk about. So there are 4 different versions of QuickBooks that you can use. First one is QuickBooks Online, then there's QuickBooks Pro, QuickBooks Premier, and QuickBooks Enterprise Solutions. So with So with QuickBooks Online, you can access it anywhere you have the access to the internet. So there's no desktop version that you would install on your computer. You would access all your information totally over the internet. With QuickBooks Online, you pay a monthly fee, so that the least expensive version starts at $12.95 a month, and it goes up from there depending on what features you need from the QuickBooks. One nice thing about QuickBooks Online is that your accountant can have access at any time without you having to email them a backup or an accountant's copy. Also, you can have multiple users logging in. So if you have maybe multiple owners of the business and each one wants to be able to log in and check things out without having to have it on their own computer, this is QuickBooks Online is an easy way to do that. And like I was saying before, there are different levels, so there are different prices. And the cheapest one, the $12.95 a month, does not do payroll. So not all of the versions do payroll, so you will have to pay more to have the QuickBooks calculate payroll for you. The next version is QuickBooks Pro. So that is a desktop version that you